Connect Instagram to YouTube in seconds. Watch this. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, select the Share Profile option. Here, click on Copy Link. Your Instagram URL is now copied. Open any internet browser like Chrome or Safari. Type youtube.com in the address bar and hit Enter. Tap the profile icon on the bottom right. Log in to your YouTube account. Here, select View Channel option. Then, tap on Customize Channel. This opens the YouTube Studio. Now, scroll down to the Links section. Next, tap on Add Link. After that, under Title, type Instagram. In the URL field, paste the link you copied earlier. Tap Publish in the top right corner. Your Instagram link is now added to your channel. Go back to your YouTube View Channel page. Under the About section, you'll now see your Instagram link. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.